Okay. 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 Yesterday, what we are discussing about, could someone brief that? Just briefly, can someone tell that what we discussed yesterday, so that it will be a um, what it's a recapitulation of what are all we discussed. It's a rewind what we have discussed and all. So that we can collect. Anyone? Just brief us on okay.
So okay. So
Someone
initially
can.
you were, yeah. Initially you were, the first step was like you were explaining about the product. In that product, what are all the features it will be there? Like what
Okay.
are all the details of the product?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
say
Okay.
for example, if we have, so mainly you were focusing on the pharma industry.
Okay.
So
Okay. Correct.
you were explaining about the product and the product. What are all the details which are required for an pharma industry? So you
Okay.
were
Okay.
explaining.
Okay.
Yeah, the channel of distribution, sir. You
And,
created a
channel of
company.
okay.
Created a company. Yes, sir. You created a company called
Okay.
Buddy Pharmaceuticals, and yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir, Mr. Saranraj, please continue. Sorry to disturb you in between. Yeah.
Yeah, no issues. You can. Okay. So it's a teamwork, right? No issues on that.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not a. Don't think it is not a class. Okay. It's all we are going to do a project. It's a discussion only. Okay. So anyone can share their ideas, and so that as a team we are going to do a project. Okay. Okay. So maybe in the project what we will do is some concepts which may not be aware or something. You can also share with us. Okay, ma'am. Something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose
Sure. Yeah.
if I want to know some concepts in that, if I am not knowing, also I can ask you, ma'am, could you explain this? You can also explain. Even Saravanan can
Okay.
explain me some concepts. Enna Saravanan? Ravi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that. Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Ravi?
Yes, sir.
Ravi, see, actually what we are discussing is the last class which we are discussed, no, that only we are recollecting what we have discussed. That's all. Nothing new. I have not started nothing new. Okay.
Yeah,
So
okay, sir.
only a
Okay.
recollection of that. Okay. Anyhow, I will give you this thing. So what we have discussed is about the product. See, like what it contains in that product. Okay. What are all that's a brand name? What is that molecule, batch number, manufacturing date, like that and all. See, to have an idea about that. And next is we have discussed about the channel of distribution. This is very important. Channel of distribution is very important. So channel of distribution. What is meant by channel of distribution? Channel of distribution. Hello.
So, distributing your products down the line till the retailer, which are the parties which are involved, like the CFAs and the super distributor, the stockist, then the retailer, and the end consumer.
Okay.
Finally,
that is the channel of distribution. The way the product reaches the customer to the end customer, that is called channel of distribution. Through channels, different channels, no, it will reach the customer. So the way it is reaching the ultimate customer. Okay, ultimate customer is public. Okay. Anyhow, so this is the overview of that company's structure. Okay, then channel of distribution I have detailed about it. Okay. Now I have explained about the channel company overview. I have given a basic idea of the structure of the company, the activities what they are doing, and all we have given. Okay. Sorry, company activity. Okay. Then channel of distribution I have done it. Okay. Now these are all channel of distribution, like that I have explained it. Okay, so it's clear, no? Till now it's clear, ma'am. Anyone
Yes,
has a
sir.
doubt? யாருக்காவது புரியலையா? ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா? இதுல என்ன கேட்கலாம், ஏன்னா அடுத்த இதுக்கு போகும்போது ஈஸியா இருக்கும், அதுக்காக தான் சொல்றேன். யாருக்காவது டவுட் இருக்கா? ஹலோ,
இல்ல இல்ல
anyone is having doubt? இல்ல, ஏதாவது இருந்தா கூட கேளுங்க. ஈவன் சப்போஸ் நீங்க கேக்குற கேள்வி எனக்கு தெரியலனா கூட ஈவன் மேம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவாங்க, சரவணன் இருக்காரு, யார் வேணாலும் கேட்கலாம். இது ஒரு ஃபோரம் மாதிரி, இட்ஸ் நாட் எ கிளாஸ். ஓகேங்களா? சோ இதுல ஒரு டிஸ்கஷன் தான் நடக்க போகுது. நம்ம எல்லாரும் டீமா ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட பண்ண போறோம், அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே, சோ டோன்ட் டேக் இட் as இட்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் நான் மாத்திரம் தான் பேசணும், நீங்க யாரும் பேசக்கூடாது, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் இல்ல. எது வேணாலும் நீங்க உங்களுடைய கொஸ்டின்ஸை நீங்க அதுல நீங்க சொல்லலாம். சோ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சா நான் அதை சொல்றேன், இல்லையா யாராவது தெரிஞ்சவங்க அதை பத்தி சொல்லலாம், இல்லையா அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம் அதை பத்தி. ஓகே ஓகே, எனியோ கம்பெனி ஆக்டிவிட்டி பார்த்தோம், ப்ராடக்ட் ஓகே, சேனல் ஆஃப் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன். சரி, நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், நான் உங்ககிட்ட என்ன சொன்னேன் கடைசியா கிளாஸ் முடியும் போது, நீங்க எல்லாமே வாட் சாரி மேம்,
enterprise structure, sir. No problem, I little bit understand. It's okay, sir. I understand.
Okay. See, at the end of the last session what I told, you people have to design an enterprise structure, like that I told, no? And also
yes,
you
sir.
people all agreed, okay sir, we will be giving an overview of that enterprise structure with regard to Oracle. Oracle, is it enough? This information is enough?
Sir, so what I have understood as per the study material, like for me, see, this is an Indian company. So the examples that the Oracle study material, what the example they had given in that was that they have different branches in different countries. So one, the primary, like the head office of, the basic companies registered in India. They might have branches in different countries like US, UK and all that. So primary ledger would be the Indian company with the functional currency. And then they will have the either the secondary ledgers for US, UK. And different countries like that. So now here what I could make out is, now the head office is in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. So they can further divide that, in India itself. Then further they can divide in 4 different zones, naming the south, north, south, east, west. And each zone will have their regional office. Like Delhi, Chennai can have the head office as well as a regional office. Or maybe Bangalore for that matter. And then further down the line, it gets distributed like that. That's what I could make out. Yeah.
Okay, like that your way of this with regard to enterprise structure, your view is that
within the company. I think
okay,
that way.
Okay. Shall we ask Saravanan any idea about this? Saravanan, hello. Saravanan, உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஐடியா கிடைச்சதா?
இல்ல, no sir, nothing.
Okay. Saranraj, you know, you have any idea? Ravi?
So I go with what Sahana ma'am said, like she was saying, like the primary ledger would be India. The secondary ledgers will be like the 4 zones, right? And apart from that, the currency would
the
be
lines. And sorry, so even the lines also, like the pharma can be different, vaccines can be different, and the herbal can be different.
Okay.
So we can divide even in that as well. Yeah.
And apart from that, the calendar,
okay, that we can keep it as a, okay, that's not an issue. Currency, only one currency.
One currency, and chart of accounts also remains the same as it is in the same country.
Calendar also will be remaining. The calendar also there won't be any. We can have a fiscal year. That's all. Very simple only. I'm focusing only on Indian. Okay, there is no.
Yes, sir.
first we take this project only for Indian company, that too India, not even they are not going for an export. Okay. If we go for an export, then that foreign currency will involved. Okay, that and all we are not taking. First we go by a simple project, then next we will go to export business like this. So first project we will take it as a simple. So for our understanding, we will go by this. Okay. That to my knowledge.
So here I have a.
Ah.
Yeah. So we will be having several bank accounts, right? Or do we have one primary account for all the branches?
No, bank account will be one only. Okay. They will be having an account in HDFC. Okay, one bank account only. Okay.
No. Since we are dealing with multiple business, so pharma, vaccines, and herbal. So.
Okay. Hello. 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 Your voice is breaking, sir. Hello. Hello.
I think there's some connectivity issues with him.
But
there will be 3 different types of business, right? So we are. Am I audible now?
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear, sir.
Now it's clear, right?
Yeah,
so since we are dealing with the 3 different types of business, pharma, vaccines, and herbal, so in my view, if we have three different types of accounts, that would be helpful. Or correct me if I'm wrong. Any suggestions on that?
3 kind of accounts are.
No, sir. I don't think one bank. Correct, sir. I mean, your doubt is also pretty natural because
only one bank account. I am not going out for a different bank account and all. That's only simple concepts. I am only because see, I am also new to this. Okay, even I also studied. I also gone through the training. So for project purpose, I have taken this as a project purpose. Why? Because see, when we gone for a training, they are all telling about US. Okay, I agree.
Correct, sir.
But as far as the Indian company, because suppose if we got a
True,
project
sir.
in India, then we would be able to do this. No, suppose pharma company is approaching us for Oracle implementation. At the time, suppose for example, I am telling. So as an Indian company, first we focus on an Indian company, then we will switch over to other countries. Okay, that's going forward. First we will take it as a our mother this thing. So Indian company we will take it as. Then we will go to.
No, sir. As Mr. Saranraj, expressed his doubt, saying that will there be any different accounts? Like what I see is, if we have 3 lines of business, like pharma is different, vaccines is different, and herbal is different, right?
Okay.
So it will be ideal to go for a different, because even for the reporting purpose also, and for the transactions as well.
Okay.
I feel it would be better to have different accounts.
Correct. One important thing I want to highlight on this. Pharma, vaccine and herbal. See, the company wants to view the report for pharma business. How much is the profit and loss account they want to take? How much is the like vaccine? How much they, and the herbal? How much is the? But internal purpose only. Okay. You agree, ma'am?
Okay. Yes, sir. True.
Pharma business, how much is the expense and revenue they want to have? Okay, like that vaccine they want to have a separate, and herbal also they want to have. Okay, that is for internal only. But to represent for the outside, that is to in balance sheet and all, the final statement would be in the name of Buddy only. Okay, they in the thing the sales they will give a breakup. Pharma sales, vaccine how much, herbal how much sales, that is revenue. Sorry, you what it mean sales how much, they give a breakup in that also. Okay, that notes to accounts and something that that and all detail they will be giving. But internal purpose they will generate a they want to have view the expense P&L. Like financial reports they want to see for pharma separately, vaccine separately, herbal separately. Okay. Correct, no, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Correct,
Yes,
Anand?
sir. Yes, sir.
Anand?
Yeah. Agreed.
Okay. Now, I will, shall I tell one, shall I tell my view?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please.
If it is wrong, you definitely, you people have to tell me, sir, you are wrong, absolutely wrong, you have to tell. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is right, you can tell me right. But if it is wrong, you have to tell me absolutely wrong, you tell me. Okay. Okay. See, to my understanding, I am telling. If I am wrong, you please tell me. Okay. Or you can correct me. No issue. See, name of the organization. Okay. Name of the organization, Buddy. Okay. We can send enterprise. Okay. Next, can we go? We are doing. We are going to do project in Fusion, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Not R12. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So enterprise structure of R12. You remember, ma'am?
It's sorry.
Or shall I open that PPT?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just,
It will be
yeah. I will
better.
open.
Yes, sir. It will be
No
better.
issue,
You
ma'am.
can
No
just
issue.
yeah.
I will do that. I will
Okay,
open the
okay.
PPT. Just. But
This is for fusion. This is for fusion, sir.
Fusion only, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
See, we are going to do in Fusion only. Okay.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
why? Because we are doing to Fusion, because we have an instant access to do that. Okay. But in
Yes. Yes,
R12
sir.
means in every system it has to be loaded. Then like that.
Correct. Correct, sir.
I think these are all explanation given. Okay. Is it okay, or shall I open that PPT?
So this is okay. What you can do is for the others too who have no knowledge on fusion, no, I mean they're not well versed with Oracle, right?
Saran and Ravi has undergone training in R12, ma'am. Okay, so they will be having some idea about this concepts all. Okay, anyhow, we will explain to them also. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Fine. Yeah.
1 minute, ma'am. I will open that PPT. Okay.
Okay.
Just I had kept somewhere. 1 minute. Yeah, this is ma'am. So, hello.
Yes, sir.
சரவணன் பார்க்க முடியுதா?
sir.
இதுதான் என்டர்பிரைஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆரக்கிள் ஃபியூஷன்ல. ஓகேங்களா?
ஃபியூஷன் ஓகே.
சோ என்டர்பிரைஸ் இதுல R12க்கும் ஃபியூஷனுக்கும் ஒரு சின்ன வித்தியாசம் தான் இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? அதுல என்னன்னு சொல்றேன் உங்களுக்கு. என்டர்பிரைஸ் ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கு. டிவிஷன் மாத்திரம் புதுசா ஆட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? பிரைமரி லெட்ஜர், லீகல் என்டிட்டி ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கு. பிசினஸ் யூனிட்னு சொல்றாங்கல்ல, ஆபரேட்டிங் யூனிட் தான் அத பிசினஸ் யூனிட்னு சொல்றாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சென்டர் அது கீழே இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்வென்டரி, அது கீழே இன்வென்டரி ஆர்கனைசேஷன். அவ்வளவுதான். ஒரே ஒண்ணு ஆட் ஆயிருக்கு, டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சென்டர் இருக்கு, டிவிஷன் மேல இருக்கு. அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே. சோ இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறீங்களா? என்டர்பிரைஸ், டிவிஷன், பிரைமரி லெட்ஜர், லீகல் என்டிட்டி, பிசினஸ் யூனிட், டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சென்டர், இன்வென்டரி ஆர். இப்போ நான் எக்ஸல்ல டைப் பண்றேன். அதை யாராவது ரிப்பீட் பண்ண முடியுமா, சொல்ல முடியுமா? ஹலோ ma'am, can you able to tell me while typing in Excel?
What, sir?
This enterprise structure, madam. Enterprise, division, primary ledger, legal entity, business unit, distribution center, inventory arc. No, that's the flow I am telling.
Yeah.
1 minute, 1 minute. Huh?
Yeah.
So, enterprise structure. Okay. Then division.
Yes, sir. So in this division, will we be having 3 divisions as in pharma, herbal, and vaccines? Or
What I will do, I will complete this
okay,
thing, ma'am.
okay, sir.
So we
Fine,
will
fine,
correlate
sir.
with this. Easy for us to
Okay.
correct,
Yes,
no, ma'am.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem. Yes, sir.
That's right. Primary ledger, legal entity, business unit. Primary ledger, legal entity, business unit, distribution center, then inventory arc. Okay. Now it's now got we got clarity, man. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is the sorry.
Buddy Pharmaceutical.
Buddy pharmaceutical enterprise we are going to design. Okay. So sorry, enterprise. Enterprise. Now in this enterprise structure. So okay. Enterprise. Okay, buddy. Correct now, ma'am? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then division.
The division can be pharma, vaccines, and herbal.
In the division
others
activity,
what?
ma'am, actually pharma vaccine that I told, no? Pharma vaccine
Yeah, it's
herbal
one.
activity will be there, ma'am. Business activities will be there. Purchase, sale, all activities will be there. And P&L has to be taken from that. So if you put the division, is it okay? Just I am okay. Now, ma'am, hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Okay, keep it aside that division. Let it come to primary ledger. Primary ledger that what that prerequisite
Chennai
4 C's we have
yeah,
to
4 C's. Yeah, calendar, chart of accounts, currency, and
convention that accounting
convention, accounting convention.
Okay.
Yeah.
So companies what we give only one company, correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct, correct, Saranan.
Correct.
Ravi,
One
are you
company.
following?
Yes, sir.
Saranraj.
4 C's.
Yes.
4 C's.
Yeah.
Primary ledger 4
4
C's.
C's, sir.
Correct. In that what will be there?
Primary ledger would be buddy.
Primary ledger would be buddy. Okay. But to create that primary ledger, we need this 4 C's, no? Prerequisite. Calendar. Okay. So primary ledger would be buddy. Correct now, ma'am? Ma'am, am I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So in the 4 ledger, 4 C's. So currency. Currency would be INR.
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 Yes, sir.
Calendar. Shall we keep it as
Fiscal year.
Okay.
Fiscal year. Yes, sir. April to March. Yeah.
Correct, ma'am. Chart of accounts, ma'am. Chart of accounts, Ravi, Saranan. So, chart of accounts, what we do? What is chart of accounts? What it contains? Chart of
purchasing, sales, departments. Yeah.
Correct, ma'am. Company. Then we can give department, accounts. Correct, no?
Location.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Company, department, then accounts. Okay. Then can we give any other thing? So minimum 2 segments, correct? No.
Minimum 2
maximum
segments,
we can
yes,
give
sir.
30, but maximum we can give 3 to 4 or 5. That's all. Because behind that means it would be very data will be what is this? If it is more means what will happen, ma'am? Anything, Ravi, Saravanan? If the segments are more, என்ன ஆகும்? Data இது ஆகுமா? சரியா நமக்கு டேட்டா கிடைக்காது இல்லையா? கரெக்ட்டா அந்த ஒரு இது வராது இல்லையா?
The errors might get created.
Errors might be. அதனால தான் segments லிமிட் பண்ணிக்கணும்னு சொன்னாங்க. Okay, okay. Just it's a refresh only, ma'am. Okay, okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Company department accounts. Anything we can add, madam? Location shall we add it? Or
yes, sir. Location.
Location.
No, we need a location.
Location, which locations? What locations we have to do? What locations?
The primary
CFA
ledger
location.
location.
CFA locations, sir.
No. The primary ledger where your enterprise is located. I mean the Buddy Pharmaceuticals like Chennai.
Oh, location means the primary ledger location. That is Chennai, yes, only, Buddy. Okay, that we have to add. Okay. Yes, then other than that, anything we have to add?
So I think somebody is having a doubt, or who, Mr. Saranraj, you wanted to tell something, I think.
Yeah. So I was trying to say, like, if we have multiple accounts, we may have a scenario for updating multiple locations. That's why
okay.
I was.
So shall we limit with this company department accounts and location also? Is it okay, or shall we limit with this 3? Or we need to have any other than that product or something we need to have? Not required, no?
No, sir. Okay. I think
it's enough, no? Company department location product, no? I think it will come under material this thing, no? So product,
yes,
product.
Okay. So that is not required, I think. Company department accounts is okay, but other than that, if we require, we can add it. Okay. Okay. Look, okay.
So, but we have to add it at the initial stages itself.
That is why.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can't add it later. Yeah.
Actually,
so we have to decide.
Now this is not the final, ma'am. We are just putting a dot. Okay. Now next step, you have to draw a line. Then we have to do some things.
Sir, there was another thing which is a 4th convention. I think that is a SLA.
Pardon?
Yeah. There is a 4th convention, the accounting convention, so the 4th C.
Okay. Chart of accounts and accounting convention, that is
SLA.
Accrual, this thing, cash and accrual base. Yes, base you told, no? That accounting, okay.
Yeah.
That we do. Accounting conversion, okay. Then next to legal entity. Legal entity, Buddy only, no?
Buddy only, so.
Because they have registration, this is
correct
entity. Okay. Now business unit coming. Okay. Inventory organization warehouses are there across India. Can we make that inventory organization? Can we make it as an inventory?
Yes, sir. Now, I think what I feel is here, as I mentioned earlier, the 4 zones might come here. Or maybe the distribution center, either of the 2. I'm not sure where you will be putting that.
So business unit plays a role.
Yes, sir, it does. But now see, I'm getting confused between now. If you want to divide this into 4 zones, for the accounting purpose, now each zone will be having a regional office. Now everything cannot.
Regional office, what it means, you are telling that sales office like that, ma'am. That will come under the order management.
Inventory order, okay.
Because what I am telling, Buddy Pharmaceutical is in Chennai only. They don't have any branch office or nothing. Only one office, registered and head office are same only. Corporate are all same only. Okay. So nothing, there is no separate thing. Okay, like that we simply will take. Okay. In this scenario, business unit, what we will do, business unit, suppose if I
will also be buddy pharmaceuticals only.
This is okay, ma'am.
I mean,
see, can we have pharma, vaccine and herbal as business units?
yes sir, yes sir, you can.
Because activities is going on, no?
Correct, yes.
Is it okay?
So you mean to say there will be no divisions for us? Those different lines of business unit will be these
Pharma,
3 lines, which is
vaccine,
pharma, vaccines and herbal.
Okay, correct, Saranraj?
Okay, sir.
Saranraj, okay? Operating unit.
Yes, sir.
Saranan?
Yes, sir.
ஓகேவா? கொஞ்சம் எல்லாரும் கொஞ்சம் நம்ம அப்படியே திங்க் ஓவர் பண்ணா ஏதாவது ஒரு இது வரும். கொஞ்சம் initially we will find it difficult, correct ma'am? Once
yes,
we
sir,
go
yes,
into this only, it will be easy for me. Okay, so that is why I am asking. Okay, so okay, if it is right or wrong also, next class you can have go through the concepts and let me know, ma'am. It's not
yes,
right,
sir.
we are not going to finalize. Okay, so
okay,
unless
okay,
and
sir.
until there is a lot of discussion will be there. So I will also be giving some more in this about the company, some more activities what they are doing also I will give you. But initially that
Okay.
one small thing I am giving. Okay, business unit shall we keep at pharma? Okay, vaccine and herbal. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, distribution center we can set it aside, no? Distribution center, instead of that distribution center, can we make it as an inventory organization? Inventory organization means what, ma'am? Saranan, Ravi, inventory organization, anyone knowing, can you share that? What is inventory organization?
It's where the stocks or maybe
okay, so like that inventory organization means where the stocks are stored. Can we have that warehouse of CFA warehouse of to nearly 10 warehouses are there? Can we make it as an inventory organization for that?
Yes, sir. I think you can. But yes, sir.
10 organization, 10 warehouses will be there. So this inventory organization can be assigned to the business unit, no? Pharma,
yes, sir.
Pharma business
yes,
unit can be have.
Yes, sir. Will we be having a separate for each business? Now there are 3 business units.
Okay.
So under each business unit, we'll be having an inventory organization separately.
Correct. 10 inventory organization for 10 inventory
for pharma,
for
yes,
vaccine,
for each,
10 inventory
for each business
for
unit.
herbal. Correct, ma'am?
Correct. Yes,
correct,
sir.
Sarunan?
Then what is the role for distribution center here, sir? Will that be again? Will that be again divided into zones?
No, actually, zones can we have if you keep distribution center? Is it a
so can you just show the PPT once again, sir? We'll
okay,
just
okay,
please have a clarity.
Here, ma'am.
See, sir, each business unit has a distribution center here.
Okay.
From where that distribution center is going to the inventory organization. So what my point here was, like for each business unit, as we have 3 business units, we can have one distribution center. That is, which is a zone wise. Suppose like for Delhi, for the North Zone, Delhi is a distribution center.
Okay.
So under Delhi, we'll be having different distribution centers in different cities, like Rajasthan or say any other place. So further again, it will get decentralized. That's what
that is to my understanding what you are telling is distribution center we can make it as a zone wise
and inventory organization further down, so that the stock list and the warehouses.
Okay. For example, if we keep as a UK suppose distribution center of North distribution center means Delhi, Rajasthan will be coming as a warehouse, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is what I could make out. I don't know, others can give their inputs.
Saravanan.
Yes, sir.
Saravanan, அந்த distribution center சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
Distribution center நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணல, அந்த CFA கான்செப்ட் நான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணல. இப்போ நம்ம டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்றோம்ல ப்ராடக்ட்ட, இப்போ ஃபார்மா, வேக்சின், ஹெர்பல் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த அந்த பிசினஸ் அது செப்பரேட் பிசினஸ். அது மேடம் என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சென்டர் நீங்க நார்த் ஜோன் வைஸா பிரிச்சுடுங்க, அந்த பிரிச்சுட்டு அதுல இருந்து அங்க இன்வென்டரி ஆர்கனைசேஷன் கொண்டு போங்கன்றாங்க. புரியுதுங்களா?
புரியுது.
அதாவது நார்த் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சென்டர் வச்சுட்டு அங்கிருந்து டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் ஆகுது இல்லையா, சோ நார்த் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சென்டர்ல அங்கிருந்து டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் ஆகுது, சோ இன்வென்டரி ஆர்கனைசேஷன் அங்க வருது. அதே மாதிரி இந்த இத அப்படி பிரிச்சிடலான்றாங்க. ஓகேவா?
ஓகே கொஞ்சம் யோசிக்க வேண்டியது சார். ஓகே
ஓகே. அதனுடைய இது எப்படி வரும்னு நம்ம யோசிக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஓகே மேம், ஆக்சுவலி this you are asking this, you are telling that distribution center. Okay, so
yes,
now we are coming to a conclusion that distribution center zone wise you want your what is your view is the distribution center we have to keep it as a zone wise. From there inventory organization we have to bifurcate, correct? Based on the
yes, sir, yes,
zone
sir.
wise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I mean, it will be easy for the accounting purpose. That's what I felt. I don't know how does it work in the real scenario. I mean, yeah.
Okay.
So what are your views, sir, on this? What do you have to say about it?
Actually, suppose if we are not using a distribution center is not is it mandatory to have a distribution center? See,
no,
enterprise is mandatory. Division is not mandatory. Primary ledger is mandatory. Even legal entity is mandatory because
yes, sir, it is.
Oh, and business unit is mandatory because we have to give because all transactions are recorded. Okay, so accounts receivable, account like sales and purchase also are recorded in that business unit. It is mandatory. But distribution center is optional only. It's not mandatory.
Okay.
Inventory organization is mandatory. Okay. But
no, why I mentioned the distribution center is for the accounting purpose and even for the organizational structure also zone wise. So to take a report, for reporting purpose also, like a regional head will be assigned.
Correct.
So your job is to take care of your inventory organizations.
Okay.
At the end of the day, you have to give report to your